Internet! Today I'll be sharing with you my new KANKEN backpack. I got this last March from Common Thread because I found out they had a KANKEN sale. They had colors that were buy one take one, and there were some that are 30% off. But I was so tempted to get the buy one take one, but I feel like I'd have a hard time letting go of the second bag. Plus, I just end up spending more. I decided to bite the bullet and purchase this because even if I'm working from home at the moment, I've always wanted to get a classic sized kanken. My first kanken is the mini kanken because I wasn't willing to spend more than 5,000 pesos on a medium sized backpack. And yes, kanken is still an expensive brand, but I really like the design and the colors. Oh, and speaking of colors, I got mine in spruce green. I think it would match a lot of my outfits since it's not too bright and bold, and I think it would match well with some of my neutral or earth-toned outfits. When I received the backpack, one of the first things I did was to smell it because I wanted to know if it smells like Common Thread, and it does. I used to go to their store at Greenbelt after work and look at some of their items, but I don't frequently go there. It's just the scent of the store that is pretty distinct for me. It kind of smells powdery, sweet, and light. I'd like to think that when it's safer to hang out in public, I'd take this out for an art date with friends. Most specifically at a quiet cafe, just silently enjoying each other's company while drawing or painting. So I hope you guys enjoy my pack with me video as if I'm going on an art date. Thank you.